Welcome back. In this video, we will use graphs to solve trigonometric equation. First example is we have to solve sin x equal to 0.5 where x is changing between 0 and 360. So what it does mean is we need to find all the possible angles for x such that sin x is always 0.5. Sin x equals 0. And it is a type of question is we have to answer by sketching a graph. Sin x equal 0.5 and the range is this one. So what I am going to do, I am going to split this equation into two. y1 is equal to sin x and y2 equals 0.5. I can draw these two things because we know the graphs for sin x as well as we know y2 equals 0. If we draw this one, it will look like this. So this is our angle x and this is y1 and y2. So the red color graph, this one is sine function, and next one is y2 is 0. 0.5 means this is a line, and you can see there are number of points where these two are meeting here. So we don't need to worry about this one because our range is 0 to 360. And so we shouldn't worry about anything on this side. We have to focus on from here onwards. From 0 to 360, there are only two solutions. You can find the first value by using your calculator. Let's say this is x1 and this is angle x2. Sin x1 equal to 0.5. So if you use a calculator, x1 is sine inverse 0.5. If you use your calculator, shift plus sine, that will lead to sine inverse. And if you enter 0.5, that will give you 30 degree. So x1 is 30 degree. 30 degree. Now, how do you find x2? In order to find x2, you know this is a symmetrical. If you look at this concave curve, this is symmetric, right? This is 30. Therefore, this must be 30 as well. So x2 is nothing but 180 minus x1, which is 180 minus 30 degree equal to 150 degree. You can check whether it is true or not. If you, in your calculator, if you enter sine 150, the answer is 0.5.